Hi everyone, how are you? I am Dr. Shabir Khan with Watch Hello Eye Care channel. Today my topic is about eye care. That how can you take good care of your eyes? By following the steps I am telling you, you can take good care of your eyes and your eyes remain good and healthy. Number one, keep your eyes clean well. Number two, eat healthy and balanced diet. Number three, maintain a healthy weight. Number four, get regular exercise. Number five, wear sunglasses. Number six, wear protective eye glasses. Number seven, avoid smoking and such things. Number eight, know your family medical history. Number nine, use helmet during bike riding and bike driving. And number 10, maintain your diabetes and cholesterol level. Thank you. By following these instructions and steps, you can take good care of your eyes, and in this way you can look beautiful world in the life. Thank you for watching my this video and subscribe this channel to get more good videos about eyes and health. See you. Bye bye. Take care.